Hi, welcome back to the class. Today we'll be learning numbers 1 to 10. Numbers 1 to 10. Thank you. My name is Teacher Mary. We'll be learning numbers 1 to 10 in Igbo. Okay, please like and share my video. Like and share, please. Okay, so that all the people that are in need of this video might be able to, I'm sure if not every one of us are seeing this video that really need it, share it to people who need it. All right, thank you. So we'll be doing 1 to 10 like I said. Today, 1. What is 1 in Igbo? 1 means ufu, otu, ufu, otu. So either you say otu or ufu. So 2, Igbo. 3, ato, 4, ano, 5, ise, 6, isi, 7, isa, 8, asato, 9, itoolu or iteghete, 10, iri. So I'm going to run it through. I don't want my video to be too long. So 1, otu, 2, Igbo, 3, ito, 4, ano, 5, ise, 6, isi, 7, isa, 6, isi, 7, isa, 8, isato, 9, itoolu or itenani, 9, itenani, 10, iri, 1, otu, 2, Igbo, 3, ato, 4, ano, 5, ise, 6, isi, 7, isa, 8, isato, 9, itoolu, 10, iri. Thank you. Please like and share my video. Bye.